Welcome back, Etsy sellers. Today we are going to be focusing on one of the most lucrative holidays on Etsy, and that holiday is Mother's Day. And we're going to spend the next few minutes of this video deep diving into unique approaches that you can take in your shop to be able to capitalize on the Mother's Day sales for 2024. Before we dive in, if you have not already, go ahead and like this video so that you can be presented with new ones we post in the future. And I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification to be notified every single time we go live on Thursdays and post a new video just like this every Tuesday. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first thing that I want to highlight as a unique approach you can take to the Mother's Day niche is thinking about all the different types of mothers there are out there. I wanted to spend some time today giving you guys 4 other examples that you could add to your shop that has much less competition but proven high volume search. So let's go ahead and start with the most popular one, mom gift. When we look up mom gift and I filter it by a listing age of a maximum of 6 months, there are over 1.1 million listings currently utilizing the term mom gift. One that I really loved in the handmade space that can actually be evergreen and applied to multiple different types of people all year long is this Grandma's Garden art print. And when we pull up the stats on it, you can see that this person is making over $54,000 a month with this item. The cool thing about this item is, yes, she is printing this out and selling it in a frame for someone, but as a digital download seller, you can also strictly sell the digital art print. And another thing you can do if you're a print-on-demand seller, if your print-on-demand provider offers you the option of doing canvas wall art, you can print this on there as well. That is 3 ways that you can uniquely approach this high-performing item. Moving on to number 2, I looked up mother-in-law gift. This is another unique approach that we can take to it. Instead of just thinking about moms, you can also reach an audience of people who are actively looking to buy gifts for their mother-in-laws as well. And here is an example of something that I really liked that can actually be built in the print-on-demand and handmade space. I don't have a favorite child, but if I did, it would be my daughter-in-law. And as you can see, this listing has only been alive for 6 months and they are making around $730 of revenue on a monthly basis. This is a very, very simplistic design, so you can take a unique approach of elevating this design, personalizing the design, or altering it to fit daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, son-in-law, father-in-law, etc. Another search I wanted to focus on today was the new mom niche. When we type new mom into the Etsy search bar, you can see new mom gift has actively been looked up over 5,500 times over the past 30 days. New mom gift box, gift basket, care package, shirt, etc. Not only is it a highly searched niche, but there's also way less competition comparatively to mom gift. Here is a listing that I really loved in the new mom space that is performing so well. This will need to be made by a handmade seller, but it is a new mom and baby gift basket. It is currently selling over $10,000 of revenue, so this is one of those 5-figure sellers. The item has only been alive for 9 months. Another one I wanted to focus on is exactly who I am, a pet mom. I don't have any kids myself, but I do very much so consider my fur babies my babies. And people who are dedicated like I am to their pets make it their life's mission to make their puppies, their cats, their leopard geckos as comfortable as physically possible and as cute as physically possible. We do a dang good job at letting everybody know that we love our pets. It's kind of like if we were in CrossFit. So do not sleep on the opportunity to make more sales this Mother's Day for our pet moms as well. We all need a little love too. Here's a fun listing that I love, again in the 5-figure a month range. It could be a print-on-demand item or a handmade item. This is a tumbler that has silhouettes of dog ears and the names of the dogs printed right there on the tumbler. Last up today, I wanted to talk about the stepmom space. What is really popular on Etsy right now and has been for probably the past 2 years is called Bonus Mom. As you can see, we have 21,000 people competing in this space. So again, very low competition. And when we type stepmom into the Etsy search bar, you can see that there are over 900 searches for stepmom gift. When we put a space between the two words, we're actually going again up to 900 for gift and 1,100 for stepmom itself. And last but not least, that fun term of bonus mom is also being looked up 511 times under gift, 210 times under shirt as well. Here is an item that I really loved. It is a standard pearl necklace, but it says, "To my amazing bonus mother." So do not miss out on this opportunity to be in a much lower competition space, but still have incredible search volume for people who are looking for their stepmom or their bonus mom for gifts this holiday season. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and comment mom in the comments below. Don't forget, hit that bell notification to be notified when we go live every single Thursday and when I post videos just like this, helping Etsy and e-commerce sellers every Tuesday as well. That's all I have for you guys today. So until the next time, we'll see you in the next video.